in this video, I'll show you how to change gallery cover in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open Notion on your preferred browser. So once you have opened notion.com, go ahead and sign into your account. So there are different ways for you to sign into your account. You can sign in with Google. You can sign in with your credentials and the email or the app connected to your Notion account when it was created. So once you're signed into Notion, go ahead and head over to your workspace. On your workspace, click on this change cover button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. So that will allow you to select the cover that you want to use to your workspace. So you can select that from the gallery section. You can also upload that. You can also provide the link to that specific photo. You can also select a cover photo from Unsplash. So this is actually a website where you can actually find photos that are copyright free, which you can use. So basically, if you want to upload your file, you can also upload it. So you need to wait for it to load to be able to save the changes that you've made. Now, if you want to reposition the photo, you can go ahead and click on this reposition button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen at the right side of the change cover button. So that will allow you to reposition the angle of the photo that you want to use for your cover photo on your workspace. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Notion gallery goes from basic to beautiful. So you can also change the icon for this workspace if you prefer to do that, but that would be for another video. So that is how you can basically change gallery cover on Notion. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.